Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to my channel. And as I have promised you all that I'll be uploading the video while showing how you can use mail merge in MS Word. So here I am today, and to start with MS Word, first we have to click on the start button, and then from here you have to select the Microsoft Office. So while scrolling this, we'll get the Microsoft Office. After that, we have to click on that. Again, a drop down list will be opened. Again, we need to scroll down and check, and then we'll get MS Word in that list. After clicking on MS Word, the MS Word screen will get opened, and it will look something like this. So this is the MS Word screen, and here we can type our letter. As you all know that mail merge comprises of three main steps. First one is the main document, that means the main letter which you want to send. The second comes the recipient list or the data source, where all the addresses of the recipient या जिसको आप लेटर भेज रहे हैं उनके सारे एड्रेसेस आपको सेव करने हैं. And at last you have to merge both things. So for that we will go first to the mailing tab, then start mail merge, and then there we get several heads like letters, emails, envelopes, labels. So envelopes we'll do later on. First we are going to try out with the letters. So first we will click on letter, and after clicking on letters, now we can start typing our letter. So I'm going to write the birthday invitation here. So the birthday invitation will start with, for example, say hello. My birthday is on so and so date. You can put any date. I have put 11th August. And then you can write the whole letter like this. After typing the whole letter, once your letter is complete, what you have to do is, now after typing the letter, you have to create the recipient list. So my letter will end with yours, and then I'll write my name, and here I have written the name Sita. Now you have to create the recipient list. For that, again you have to go to the mailings tab, then you have to select the select recipient, and then you have to type new list. You have to select, because I was not having any list, so I'll be creating a new one. So as soon as you'll click on that, the new address list will open, and the first entry I'm making, for example, to Mr. I'm giving the title, and the first name, for example, it is Ashish. Then the last name is Yadav, and here I'm not writing the complete address. I'm just keeping it nanny in the address line 1. Then new entry. For keeping the second name, we have to do the new entry. Again, I'm putting the title, then I'm putting the name, and name I'm putting, for example, Gopesh. Then I'm again putting the surname, that is Sharma. Again, the address is of nanny. So every time for the new entry, we have to click on new entry, and then a new entry will be created. We have to type the title, the first name, the last name, the company name if you are sending it to the company, if you are sending the letter to the company, and then the complete address. It may take 1 or 2 lines. I have just taken address line 1. So after entering here, I have taken 3 addresses. We have to click on OK. And then these addresses will be saved. So the save as dialog box will open, and I am saving this in the folder. For example, I'm keeping the name guest list. So here in the as it is going to save as the guest list, and then I will click on save. It will be saved in my system for the future use. Now I have to place the cursor where I want to add the addresses. So I'm going to add 2, and after 2 only I'm going to add the addresses. So for addresses, now adding it, what we will do, again go to the mailing tab, and from there we have to choose the insert merge field. Now whatever the fields with whatever data source we have done, we will merge it. So what all are the things which we are going to merge? First is the title, that means the Mr. and all, and then the first name. Along with the first name I will put the last name also. Then I will put the address line. Again we have to click on insert, and then along with the name, in the next line I am going to put the address. That is why I am moving the cursor to the next line. Then only address line 1 I have fed in the system. मैंने सिर्फ एड्रेस 1 फीड किया है, इसलिए मैंने सिर्फ उतना ही डाला है. आफ्टर दिस now I'm going to preview. So see, my first letter I can preview, and the first letter is sent to Mr. Ashish Yadav. So again and again I don't have to type the whole letter. Just I have to type the letter once and feed this. And again see, my Gopesh Sharma letter is also ready. Ram Verma letter is also ready. My all 3 letters are ready. I can see the preview from here. Now I'm going to do finish and merge to all the names, to all the data source. So here now I'm going to see the preview one by one. Like now, like page 1 Mr. Ashish का letter है, page 2 Gopesh Sharma का letter है, और page 3 Ram Verma का letter है. So like this all the 3 letters I can see here together. Now to print this out, we can go to the file button, and from there we can choose the print option, and one by one on a separate page the letters will get printed. And like the letters, again we can create envelopes also, so that it can be printed separately, and the letters can be put into those, and it can be dispatched or sent to the person whomsoever we are going to send. So in this way our time is saved. We don't have to type the letters again and again in the mail merge. Once the letter is to be typed and addresses are to be feed, and then every time if you are going to send the letter and if the guest list is same, you just have to type the letter and merge. So this was all about mail merge in MS Word.